Hello, weight loss winners! I am Lexi with Lexi's Healthy Dynamic Life, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to know whether a mango is ripe and ready to eat. Today, I have two different kinds of mangoes, the honey mango and the more traditional mango that I find lately at the grocery store. So just like an avocado, I want my mango to have a slight give to it. These I just got recently, so they're still really hard. I don't know if you can hear that, but it's definitely not ready to eat. In fact, if I try to slice this open with a knife, it probably won't get very far. And the disadvantage of eating an unripe mango is that it is really fibrous and starchy, and all the little fibers will get stuck in the teeth. This mango, however, has a slight give when I'm touching it, and so it is almost ready to eat. I prefer very ripe to on the border with unripe. I like super sweet, and I don't like getting anything stuck in my teeth. With the honey mangoes, I just got these, so they are not ready to eat. I am probably gonna have to wait another week or so. You can see this one still even has some green on it. These I got the week before. They're starting to soften up. They have some give. Ooh, this one is almost ready. I hope you can see there's like some sap. It's kind of glistening. That means it was picked at a good time because the sap is coming out of the stem. Sometimes they don't have any indication of that, but these are all looking really good. Thank you, Costco. And over here I have one, the skin has started to wrinkle, and that is when I really like to open these mangoes. It's super easy to peel, and then I just bite right into it, and there's no mango getting stuck in my teeth. It's super, can you see how nicely that just peels off? So nice, no knife required, and then I just dig in. I absolutely love mangoes, and I hope now that you know when to know mango is ripe, you will enjoy them as well. If you like this video, please give it a like, subscribe so you know when my channel is updated with new videos, and I hope you have a happy, healthy, dynamic day. If you're not already, follow me on Instagram at Healthy Dynamic Life. Bye!